So in the last video, we saw how you can get content for MCQ quizzes using ChatGPT, and we also covered some basic settings like adding a background, a loading bar, and answer boxes and setting up the layers and timing for the boxes. This video is the final part, where we will dive into the next steps of the process. If you haven't watched the previous video yet, I have provided a link in the description below and in the I button. Please watch that video first, because if you directly watch this one, you might not fully understand the entire process, and you could face difficulties later on. So, let's get started with today's video. We have properly set the timings for all these elements, completing about 90% of the work. Now we just need to add sound effects and bulk create. To add sound effects, first pause the video at the point where the question is about to appear. Then, go to Elements and search for cork in audio. Click on a sound effect to add it. Next, we'll add slightly different sound effects to the options. Pause the video where the first option is supposed to appear. Search for pop in audio, and add that sound effect. Repeat the same sound effect for the second and third options. You need to add these to all three options. After that, pause the video where the timer is about to start, and search for clock tick-tock in audio, then add that sound effect. Now here you'll need to adjust the ending point for the sound effect to match the timer's end point. Make sure it aligns with the timer's completion. Finally, at the point where the green box is about to appear, pause the video, search for logo ascend in audio, and add that sound effect. Now, you've successfully added sound effects to your video elements. So, we've added sound effects to all these elements, and they are perfectly synced, which will enhance the viewer's experience. Now, you need to select all the design elements together, and delete them while leaving the sound effects as they are. Don't worry, everything can be easily undone. Now after you've downloaded this file in MP4 format, come back to your design and press Ctrl+Z to undo everything. All the elements will reappear exactly as before, as you can see. Now, one by one, delete all the sound effects from the design. Next, go to the sidebar and click on Uploads. Upload the file you just downloaded. After it's uploaded, place it in your design. It will automatically fit into the background, as you can see. Now this part is complete. We need to add images on the side. First, move the green box slightly down, and then go to Elements and search for France, because the first question is related to France. In the Photos section, click on the three dots for the image you want, then click Add to Folder. Create a new folder by clicking Create New and give it a name. Click Add to New Folder, and the photo will be added. Similarly, for the next question related to the solar system, go to Elements, search for Solar System in Photos, click the three dots, and add it to the same folder you created earlier. Keep adding photos related to each question into the folder. Now go to Elements, search for Frame, and add a rectangle frame. Adjust its size and position, and then add the first image, which is related to France, to this frame. Now we come to the final step, that is bulk creation, and the climax. This feature is typically available in Canva Pro, which has a monthly charge of approximately $14. However, I'll share a trick to do bulk creation with a free Canva account. It will take a bit more time but save you money. First, open Google Sheets and copy the entire table from ChatGPT. Paste it into Google Sheets. Next, duplicate the slides as many times as you need. For example, if you want 5 quiz pages, duplicate it 5 times by clicking on the 3 dots. You only need to change the questions, options, numbers, and images. Within 30 minutes, your quiz video will be ready. Duplicate the slides as many times as you need and create your quiz. I know it might take some effort, but if you want to save money, a little work is necessary. As you can see, all the pages are here now. But you might ask, where are the answers? Well, there's one final task. You need to take this green box and place it over the correct answer for each question. For example, if the correct answer for the first question is A. Paris, fit this green box just above option A. Now you might wonder what the purpose of this green box is. You'll find out when I play the video. Additionally, if you wish, you can add transitions between these pages. Just add it to one page, then click Apply to All, and the same transition will be applied to all pages. So it's complete now. Let's download it and show you.